It's now the beginning of June, but our little slice of Scotland seems to be feeling a lot more like April showers. After the sunny weather we had in May, I can't be too sad about it because the land seems to be happy to be having a really good drink. It's also coming up a year until our wedding, and my ambition to grow all of our own flowers is in a bit of an experimental phase. We're in a little clearing here, but because of the gorgeous trees around us, only the centre of the land gets full day sun. I would love to grow loads of cut flowers, so I'm experimenting with what will actually grow in these areas with some afternoon shade. They get around 5 hours of direct sunlight a day, so it might not be a total write-off even if it isn't exactly what they might need. One area of the land that I'm particularly fond of is my little pumpkin patch. I'm growing 2 ghost pumpkin plants here and 1 zombie pumpkin. I'm really excited to see how they come out, especially the zombie pumpkins because they're so gnarly. Because this area is so central in the plot, my sunflowers are also doing really well here. They seem to be very happy. They're growing really thick, strong stems as well, which is needed in the wind we've had these last few days.
It's my 30th today. It does feel a little odd to officially leave the 20s behind, but I mean, I've never enjoyed life more than I have in the last few years, so may it continue. If I got the option to relive the early part of my 20s again, I would bin them off until 26 at the earliest, really. So yeah, here's to 30. Still can't drive. So my mum gave me a little bit of money for my birthday and I decided to spend a bit of it on this beautiful rose. This one is called Elizabeth and I'll put a picture on the screen of just how she looks when she comes out because it's so pretty. It's got these really frilly, beautiful pink leaves around the outside with some kind of apricot colours on the inside. Really lovely, and I think it's one that will look stunning in my wedding bouquet, which is the reason I'm putting some love into the land at the moment, because I'm conscious that if I get some things like the rose established this year, they may be a little bit more happy and willing to give me lots of flowers next year. But yeah, we'll see how that goes. At the end of the day, 1 flower in bloom around our wedding is really enough to put something sentimental and meaningful into my bouquet, so that's really what I'm hoping for. I think this girlie might be the one to do it. This is also Don't make me jump. This is also the first day in so many where we've actually had the sun come out. It's been raining for 3 weeks, I'm not exaggerating, with no sun and blue sky. And today, this morning, we went out for a lovely long hike. Exactly how I love to spend a long weekend, a day off. So yeah, entering my 30s filled with peace and love and happiness and starting how I mean to go on. It's so peaceful here. I don't know how much it comes across on the video, but you can really hear nothing apart from birdsong, the occasional car. But I say occasional, it's one every 15 minutes, possibly even longer gaps than that. That's why I love coming here so often. It's just my peace and safe place. I think living life in the slow lane is what more people should aspire to. It's what I want to aspire to.
So I was gonna sign off the video there, but then I realised how much attention the wild raspberry was getting from the bees. I was this close yesterday to saying we should just rip the whole thing out, but today, after seeing all of the wildlife congregating there, I am having second thoughts. This was gonna be where we were gonna put our fire pit. So the jury is out on what we should actually do with this. Thank you to all of you for choosing to spend this little 7 minutes of your day with me. Here's to the next time. I'll see you soon.